Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how you can convert these type of product images into professional level videos using only AI. Okay, so really useful for Shopify merchants who are in a fashion niche or clothing niche in general, right? So for example, if you're selling hoodies, jeans, or any type of accessories, okay, so you're going to be able to take these type of images or basically static images and convert them into professional level, I would even say studio grade level videos using only AI, okay? And you don't have to be a developer or a techie. So I'll take you from A to Z. I'll explain you everything and how it works and which tools and AIs we're going to be using. And as a bonus, I'll be providing this Google Doc, which basically contains the prompts we're going to be using today to generate AI models, and also prompts to do image to video later on. Okay, so this is a freebie, guys. So make sure to check it out below the video in the description box. There's going to be a link to download this doc for free, guys, right? All right, so let's jump into it right away. So what I want to do, I'll be using this hoodie as an example. So let's say we want to go with this color right here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my snipping tool to basically just to snip the model. Okay, I'll take this one. I'll feed this to ChatGPT right away. Okay, and also I want to feed it this one right here. Okay, so it just kind of gets an idea of how it looks like on a person. Okay, so this one as well. There you go, and we'll copy paste this into ChatGPT as well. So and now it's time to use the prompts that I just provided. So we're gonna go back to Google Doc. So first we're gonna start with the photo image prompts. So let's see which one could be suited the best. Okay, maybe this one because it's a full body image. And here I basically add placeholders for genders and also for the product type, okay? And what's cool about these prompts, I went extra mile to kind of research the type of cameras and lenses people use for photo shoots, and I've added that right here. So here we're using a Sony A7R, which is pretty common for photo shoots. Basically the lights and which lighting brands, right? So a lot of details to make sure we get like really that super polished studio grade image first. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. It looks good. Then I'm gonna paste this in here. And here for gender, it's gonna be female or girl. I don't know which one. I guess we want to go by the book and make sure that AI gets all the details correctly. So female in her mid 20s. Okay. A model showcasing a product is a hoodie in a luxury studio environment. That's cool to go. And I'll say something attached hoodie design examples. Okay, so let's go ahead and shoot out. The only thing I want to add here, make sure to create these in portrait. Okay, so we want to have a portrait, not a square, so we can kind of get the full body shot. Okay, cool. So let's send that to ChatGPT, and it's gonna probably take a minute or two to generate. So let's give it some time. Okay, so the model is good to go. Pretty awesome. The only thing I'm just kind of seeing, we don't see the feet all the way, so it's not like full body shot. But again, that's really relevant in this case because we're kind of focusing on the upper body shot because that's the hoodie. We're not showcasing like the pants or the shoes, so not really relevant. This is good to go. So this is good. I want to create a possibly second variant, but let's start with this one. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this image, okay, I'm gonna download it, and I'm gonna go to something called Cling AI, okay? And Cling AI is basically a AI generation platform for images and videos, and you can create a bunch of stuff. So here I already done some in the past. So we can basically transform static images into videos like this, or you can even create a super cool YouTube thumbnails like this, right? So a lot of use cases really adding products into AI models' hands, right? And like this here. So for example, the products were just, it was just really a picture of her holding the products, and then we animate like she's kind of holding them, right? And I believe there's, yeah, she's even like taking the vitamins. So that's kind of the magic of Cling AI and what it can do, right? So that's what we're going to be using today. So to start, I'm going to go to image to video right here, and I'm going to drop the image right here. Now it's going to process. And while it does that, I want to choose the prompt we're going to be using for image to video. And again, guys, this is all included in the free doc that you can download. Let's see which one we could be using. Okay, the full body studio shot could be this one. Let's see, slow side, not really, quarter pose, full body shot, maybe this one, setting centered as the camera performs smooth left to right pan. I feel like this one, let's go with the first one, guys. So let me copy paste this one and bring it to the prompt. And again, here I need to do a woman in her 20s, although it's not really relevant here because it already has the context. Wearing a hoodie, okay. But again, the more data we provide to AI models, better. But again, usually you don't really need to describe, the gender and the type of product because it already has a context and image to work with, right? So this is good to go, and let's shoot that. And I want 5 seconds. You can even choose 10 seconds, but I feel like 5 seconds is okay for a product carousel for a Shopify store. So let's generate that and let's see how that looks. It's gonna take roughly a minute or so. So while it does that, let's also find some kind of accessory. Okay, so we're kind of testing things with clothing, but what about accessories? Okay, let's do something like men's sunglasses. Okay, so that could be a cool one. Gonna see how that works out. Let's see. Oh, this one's pretty popular. 10,000 sold. Okay, that's cool. So let's try these ones. Let's, for example, do the gold ones. Okay, so I'll do the gold ones. And again, I'll do a snipping tool here. Okay, I'll take the picture of this one. All right, so I have the base model. And that's about it. Okay, that's gonna be good enough. We're actually giving a little bit less context. We're not actually providing a actual how it looks like on a person. So let's kind of see how that challenge is accepted by AIs and how that performs. Let's see. So the cling is still generating. That's normal. Takes about 2 minutes. So this is good to go. Let me start a new chat. Okay, and I'm gonna go here. I'll copy the glasses here. Okay, and then we're gonna go to our doc for the prompts. Let's see which one we could try. Okay, so ultra detailed body, full portrait, dressed in a, wearing a, okay, this one could be because it's wearing a glasses, right? So let's try this one. Of a male in his 20s wearing a sunglasses. Okay, all right. And then we're gonna say use attached sunglasses model. Okay, and then generate in portrait mode. Okay, let me fix typos fast. And instead of mode, I'll actually say aspect ratio. Okay, just to be more clear with AI. All right, so let's go ahead and shoot that. Let's go back to Cling and see how that goes. Okay, this is actually just finished. Nice, guys. Cool. Guys, I mean, just look at that. This is like a really studio grade video. And just look at the details. It kind of because if you guys remember, original picture only had the back side of it. So now it kind of improvised and it understood, okay, I should probably put that on the front as well. But again, you can prompt that and adjust the prompt. If there's something wrong with it, you can explain how you want the assets on the product to appear or render out. But even just looking at this, guys, is pretty awesome. Just look at that. We have the studio lighting. So even when she turns, you can kind of see the light changing on her face because, in a studio, there's a light. So even that's taken into account, right? So pretty awesome, guys. Just look at that. Like, you don't need a photo shoot anymore. It is absolutely insane and so cool, guys. I love this. So the test passed for this product, right? So now let's see how we can handle a something like accessories. Okay, so guys, you can see it's not really limited to a specific product. Again, it can be a blender, it can be a posture corrector, it can be literally anything. If you've drop shipping, that's even better. So imagine, guys, now you can drop ship products and have these videos generated for you without hiring micro influencers or micro UGC content creators. So you can do everything in-house for a fraction of a cost. This is absolutely insane and so cool, guys. Cool. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see how the progress goes here. So we're still generating. So let's get back to this in just a minute. All right, guys, we have a Vogue style GQ type of image here, which is pretty cool. I love the lights and everything. Everything, even the shadows, everything is counted for. So this could be actually pretty cool to kind of see how it's going to capture the movement. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to also download this image and let's start from scratch. Let me just refresh here. Okay, and let's wait for it. Let's drop the image. Okay, so what we need to here though account for is that the image is sort of captured in a motion, right? So we need a prompt that sort of captures that as well. Let's see, model wearing a glasses, taking 2 slow steps sideways. Okay, this could be interesting. Okay, let's see how that works out. Okay, of male in his 20s wearing sunglasses. Okay. Okay. Taking 2 slow natural steps forwards. Okay, so not sideways. Forward while keeping a relaxed but model pose. Okay, because the walk is really kind of a catwalk, I would say. I don't know if you guys ever watch anything like on a runaway, how they walk. So that's kind of really the style here. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting. Right model pose. Okay, a camera tracks in parallel to maintain the same framing. Awesome. So let's shoot that to a AI and let's see how that pans out. Actually, I'm super curious about the movements in general. So that's going to take about 2 minutes. So actually 1 minute. So even better. Cool, guys. So let's get back to it in a minute. All right, guys, and it's done. And it actually did a pretty good job, guys. Just look at that. So it's kind of coming forward and you can kind of see that the light gets slightly brighter, and with the movement you can kind of see on his face that it kind of swings from left to right, because right, that would be the realistic case scenario in a studio, right? You have lightnings from left and right and different angles, so when you walk there would be a shift in the light. So it's really cool that with these prompts we can capture that. It's pretty detailed, I would say. It's pretty detailed, guys. I love it. And you can see kind of the light getting brighter as comes closer to the light source. So pretty cool. Even all the fabrics, the wrinkles. So I mean, guys, this is crazy, right? This is really good. So good job with accessories. Again, it did pass the test, and this is really, really, I would say, successful generation, guys. Okay. So again, you can do it with any product, literally any product that you have, physical product, accessory. This can be done with Cling and ChatGPT, guys. So again, I'll be leaving this doc as a free download below the video in the description box. And for the tools, what we used today was ChatGPT 5, okay, and Cling AI to do image to video, okay. And in general, Cling is super powerful. I believe I'm paying something like $6 or $8 a month, and I have like I had like 500 credits, and that's like super generous. You can do a lot of things. You can generate a lot of things. And I think for $6, $8 a month, that's just really a steal of a deal, considering the level of quality you are getting from it, guys. Okay, so ChatGPT 5, Cling AI, I'll include the links also in the description, plus the free doc that I used today to generate these videos and images. And guys, if you do enjoy content, make sure to like and subscribe and enable notifications. Check out our YouTube channel because we have so many different things on e-commerce, Shopify marketing, Facebook ads, generating AI stuff like this, guys. So definitely check out our YouTube channel and enable notifications. So every time we drop a new video, which we do almost every day or second day, so you get notified and really learn something new on a daily basis, guys. Okay, so and you guys already know, as always, I'm gonna see you next time. And if you have any questions, drop a comment. If not, again, happy building, guys, and I wish you success in your e-commerce business.